In a world where imagination reigns, a group of toy dolls embark on an epic quest. Meet Lily, the leader, whose courage shines as bright as her dress. Their first challenge, a maze of mirrors, where teamwork is key. Together they navigate, reflecting on each other's strengths. Next, a riddle from the wise old owl tests their wit. With creativity, they unlock the path forward, laughter in their wake. A bridge appears, but it's incomplete. Can they build it together? Piece by piece, the bridge takes form, a testament to their bond. Across the bridge, a garden of wonders awaits, their eyes wide with awe. Each flower, a different lesson in beauty and resilience. The final challenge looms, a towering puzzle only solved by unity. Together they piece the puzzle, their spirits unbreakable. Victory. The puzzle reveals the special accessory they sought. Their journey teaches us, with friends and creativity, no puzzle is too complex. And so, in the world of imagination, every day is an adventure, waiting to be explored.